Is Pi Network the next big thing or just another crypto hype train? I know everyone's asking, let's break down what's actually happening with Pi Network in April 2025. First, the bullish voices. There's been real excitement lately, especially after Pi surged 80% following its futures trading launch. People on X are hyped about the new Chainlink integration, which promises better connectivity and data for Pi's ecosystem. Some even speculate about this wild $314,159 global consensus value enforced by cross-chain smart contracts. But let's be honest, that number's unverified, and most analysts are taking it with a pinch of salt. Now, the other side of the coin. Skepticism is growing. There's frustration over endless delays, a lack of transparency from the team, and real concerns about whether Pi is truly decentralized. One top community group has openly criticized the network's direction, and even the Bybit CEO's gone as far as calling Pi a scam. Ouch! Trading volumes down by 36%, the fear and greed index is stuck in fear, and price action has been brutal. Down 77% from its February highs, now hovering around 63 cents to 75 cents. So what about adoption? Some folks point to Pay in South Korea as proof that Pi is catching on in the real world. There was even Pi Fest, with over 125,000 sellers and 1.8 million users transacting. But truthfully, it hasn't stopped that price decline. And most experts say it's way too early to call Pi mainstream. Let's talk about the fundamentals. Pi Network's big promise is making crypto mining accessible on your phone, and that's pulled in millions. But here's the issue. Outside of a few niche uses, Pi doesn't have a killer real-world case yet, and there are big worries about tokenomics. There's a massive token unlock schedule, over 1.5 billion Pi tokens being released in the next year, with 432 million just in December 2027. If demand can't keep up, that could flood the market and kill the price. Add in market risks, like global politics and tariff talks, and you see why Pi's price is so sensitive. One day it's up, the next it's tanking. So, is Pi legit? There's real potential here, especially with features like satellite mode and the Chainlink integration coming online. Technically, if the bulls show up, Pi could rally to $3. But if not, a drop to 44 cents is just as likely. Bottom line, Pi Network is at a crossroads. If you believe in the project's vision and think adoption will take off, holding might make sense. But with massive unlocks, mixed sentiment, and shaky fundamentals, it's smart to remain cautious. Don't let the hype cloud your judgment. Do your research, and only risk what you can afford to lose. What's your take on Pi Network's future? Drop a comment and let's chat.